Hi everyone, this is Dale. Here I have the body of the tunic piece that I'm making, and the next step is to add cast on stitches to the beginning of the next row in order to make the sleeves. This is a Dolman style sleeve, which means that the sleeve is a part of the body. It's not knitted separately and then put on the body. So we're just going to add cast on stitches to the beginning of the row to expand the piece for the sleeves, and then we're going to be stitching over this way to the other side and doing the same on the other side. But before I show you how to cast on the stitches at the beginning of a row, I'm going to put in a lifeline here. Now maybe most people don't need to do that. I didn't do it last time, and what happened was I added my stitches here. I cast on the extra stitches for the sleeves. I didn't like how it looked, so I ripped it out. And I was at a craft meeting when I did it, and I wasn't paying attention. I was listening to the conversation and all that. And the next thing you know, I had ripped off some of these stitches on the body of the piece, and they had run down this way also, and I tried to put it back together at the meeting. Couldn't get the edging to look right. I just couldn't concentrate on it. Maybe a better knitter could have fixed that, no problem, but I couldn't. So I set it aside, and that night when I got home, I just put in a lifeline several rows down and just ripped out several rows. So I'm going to do this again. I'm ready to make the sleeve, and so I'm just going to put in a lifeline first. Okay, so I'll be right back after the lifeline is in. Here's how you cast on the stitches for the sleeve. So you just insert the needle as if to knit, wrap it around, and pull the loop through, but don't remove this loop, and then pull this loop out a little bit, and then twist it around and come underneath the loop with the left needle, and then pull it off like that. Okay, so now you have one extra loop on your left needle. So you just repeat the process. Stick it in the loop knitwise, wrap it around, pull the loop through, but don't remove it off the left needle. Pull this out a little bit, twist it around, and then with the left needle go under the loop on the right needle and grab it and take it off the right needle. And there's your second new loop. Do it a few more times. I'll try to do it slowly so you can see what I'm doing. Put your right needle in as if to knit. Wrap the yarn around your needle. Pull the loop through and pull it out a little ways and twist it. And then with your left needle, pick up the loop from the bottom and take it off the right needle. Alright, do another one. I forgot how many I have to do here, but I'll just keep demonstrating here. Pull the loop through, twist your right needle, pick up the loop from underneath, and pull out the right needle. And so as you can see, we're adding more stitches to to the body of your work to make the sleeves. And I'll do a few more. Stick the needle in as if to knit, knitwise. Oops, get that out of the way. And then wrap your yarn. Pull the loop through and pull it out a little ways and twist it with your left needle. Pick up the loop from the bottom and then remove the right needle. Alright, so this is what you have, and you just keep going. Alright, I'll do a couple more slowly. Right needle in knitwise, wrap the yarn around, pull up the loop, twist the right needle with the left needle, come up under the loop on the right needle, put the new stitch on the left needle and remove the right needle. Alright, once again, go to knit, wrap the yarn, pull the loop through, pull out the loop and twist it around so you can come up underneath the loop with the left needle, put it on the left needle and remove the right needle. Alright, that's it. So I'm going to keep going on this until I have enough for my sleeve. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.